If you have been using Descript for quite a while now, it's probably high time for you to showcase that skill to your LinkedIn profile. Now, if you're not aware, there is actually a way for you to connect your LinkedIn and your Descript account, and that will showcase what level of expertise or experience you already have with the tool. So today, I'm going to show you how you can connect your LinkedIn and showcase the skill that you have built for using Descript. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share with you my screen. And this is where you can see the connect Descript to LinkedIn document provided by Descript. So if you're wondering how it works, Descript automatically tracks your use of editing features across your projects, and when you meet the requirements for a capability level, you'll see an in-app notification with the option to add the capability to your LinkedIn profile. So there are 3 capability levels. Level 1 delivers polished videos ready for publication. Number 2 is enhances production with effects, corrections, and visual refinements. And number 3 is depth across the full editing toolkit, handles complex projects comfortably. Alright, so let's do away with that. Let me go ahead and open my Descript account. Okay, so what you're seeing right now is my Descript homepage, or my main account. And you will notice that I have here this message. It says you've been verified advanced in video editing and can add it to your LinkedIn profile. So what we're going to do is we'll go ahead and click add now. Now, if you're not seeing this message on your screen when you open Descript, there's another way for you to check it out. What you need to do is to click on your profile image, click on settings, and from the settings, click on connected apps. And from here, you can see there connect to LinkedIn, and you will see the capability level that you have, which for my case is video editing advanced. So I'll just go ahead and click connect to LinkedIn. And then we'll go ahead and click add to LinkedIn one more time. Okay, connect LinkedIn. Alright, so my Descript capability is now live on LinkedIn. Now I have the option to share this to my network. So let's go ahead and see a draft on LinkedIn. Alright, so this is the draft. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go ahead and check how it shows up when we view our profile. Okay, so under connected apps, you will see there Descript video editing software and skills. Alright, so that is how you can connect your Descript capabilities to your LinkedIn account. If you are on level 1 or on level 2, you can still improve that and probably reach up to level 3. So it really depends on how you use the tool and what kind of work you're doing. But of course, the more that you're going to use this tool, the more that you will have the opportunity to level up on your capabilities, and that will of course also automatically update on your LinkedIn profile. Alright, so let me know if this is something that you are interested in, or if this is something that you've already added in your LinkedIn profile. And if you have any questions, just drop those in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to hit that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.